Hi everyone, welcome to the Telcoin app Stake and Refer video tutorial. Today, we're going to walk through how you can participate as a Tel staker and how you can earn referral fees for driving adoption to Telcoin DeFi products. To do this, you'll need some Tel in your Telcoin wallet and another user's referral link. Let's begin. First, you need to navigate to the Earn Tel tab in the Telcoin app. On the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like three little lines. The side menu will open. Tap Earn Tel to visit the Earn Tel portal. The first time you use Earn, you will be presented with a pop-up box that provides a brief overview of the Stake and Refer program. We will come back to this in just a moment. The Earn Tel portal has three tabs: Stake Tel, Refer Friends, and Claim Tel. In order to participate as a staker, you will need to follow these 4 steps, which we will walk through today. Step 1. Enter another user's referral code. Step 2. Stake Tel. Step 3. Refer Friends. Step 4. Claim. Step 1. Enter another user's referral link. To unlock the ability to earn Tel, we first enter another user's referral link. To do so, tap the info circle icon in the top left corner. An info sheet will appear detailing the process. Tap Enter Referral Code and add your friend's code. Congratulations, you're nearly a staker. Step 2. Stake Tel. To learn more about staking and the referral fees you can earn, tap the info circle icon next to Stake Tel in the Stake Tel tab. An info sheet will appear with stake amount and referral fee rates. For some background, the percentage of transaction fees you earn as referral fees, or your referral fee rate, is based on how much Tel you have staked. At the minimum, if you stake 1 Tel, you earn 15% of your referred user's transaction fees, or referral fees. At the maximum, if you stake 100 million Tel, you earn 42% of referral fees. Now, let's stake some Tel. Tap the blue Stake Tel button. Enter the amount of Tel you'd like to stake. A preview of your new referral rate will be shown. Proceed to confirmation. Confirm your stake request. When complete, you'll be able to see your Stake Tel balance on the home screen, as well as within the Earn Tel portal. Step 3. Refer Friends. Now that we have some Tel staked, we can refer our friends to the app and start earning referral fees. Tap the Refer Friends tab. Tap the blue View My Referral Link button. A window will pop up with your referral link and corresponding QR code. Tap Share My Referral Link to open your phone's native sharing system. Share your code with friends from here. Alternatively, your friend can scan the code directly from your phone using their phone's built-in camera. Once your friend successfully onboarded to the Telcoin app using your referral link, your confirmed referrals number will increase. Step 4. Claim referral fees. Now that we've referred some friends, we've begun receiving a percentage of their transaction fees equal to our referral rate. To claim the fees, tap the Claim Tel tab. From here, you can see your claimable Tel as well as past claim history. Tap the blue Claim Available Rewards button. Proceed to confirmation. Confirm your claim request. When the transaction completes, you can find your earned Tel in your Telcoin wallet. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on Discord in the community channel or create a support ticket at telco.in/support. See you next time.